Okay, here's the bracket that clicks in down here, and it kind of like it's a support for the glove compartment. And you can see there's a little groove here. So all you have to do is just push back on that kind of firmly, and this would then pop out. There's a little latch here, and just push. And I had to push hard, and now it's out. And you can see there it is. Let me give you a side view. You can see how it looks. And now when you put it back in, you kind of got to go down. And now it's locked back in. Let's try it again. There it is. So I'm kind of like pushing it out. All right, kind of hard. And now I would snap it back in. Now to take the glove compartment out, see how these move? You have to move them both in the same time as the video shows you. And it moves in about a ½ an inch. And then you could then lower this. Let me do that and then I'll show you the inside. And here I lowered it. Once I push it in, these little clips here, I don't know if you can see that. That kind of like is what holds it in place. You just kind of push it in, so now it comes down. And there's another little handle, and it go up in here, and there's the thing. There should be arrows pointing down. The airflow is down, so the filter you put in, the arrow must also be pointing down. And to pull these off, each car is a little different. This just snaps back, and then you just pull it forward. This little thing is what you pull, not that green thing. And you sort of just push it in, and then you pull it up, and you can see it's starting to come out. And you got to do the same thing on the other side while you're doing that. This is the CRV, and it behaves a little differently. So when you pull this out, here's the filter. This is relatively clean. I'm going to shake out some of this dirt, and eventually I'll put in a new clean filter. But the underneath part is clean. And let me show you where the arrows are on the filter. I took it out, just took this out, and yours is just going to slide in. And on the side here is where it says, and you can see the arrows are pointing down, and this one says made in USA. All right, but anyway, that's how it goes back in, and everything is the reverse. Now you just kind of snap this back in. You hear that snap? That means it's now in. You could just double check it. Down here is where the fan motor is, but you don't have to worry about that. And now I'm going to push this back up, and I'm going to have to push it back in order for it to go. And I pushed it back in, but now we got to put the latch back on. So you push it down. You can see where the groove is. Use your muscles and push it in, and you hear that snap. Now it's in. Okay, I did this all one-handed, so but it's a start. Thank you.